everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shayna here, and today I have for you guys the last unboxing, for now, of the Coloring and Classics subscription. So I've talked about this before. I did the 3-month subscription for the Coloring and Classics box, and so far they've been pretty good. We've gotten some good books and some good coloring books, and then they always throw in a couple little goodies, plus like a puzzle book, or like the 1 month I got like a holiday tips and tricks book, so that was super cute. So just like a little extra. Again, there are different tiers to this subscription. I'll link up above my very first video where I talked about it a little bit more, and then I'll also link in the description the link to the website so you guys can check it out for yourselves. But I just like to sit when I get these boxes and do them with you, just so you guys can kind of see my first impressions, and hopefully the sound is going this time. It is. On my last video I had to do it twice because there was no sound. So yeah, I guess we will just go ahead and jump right in. I'm trying to think. I think you can change, or I tried to change. No, not this month. I didn't try to change it. So you can change your genre with like no additional cost or anything for the novel or reading book that you get. I believe that the coloring book is just random, and so is the other book, but you can change the genre every month if you want for your reading book. So let's go ahead and see what we got this month. So it always comes wrapped up. I'm trying to keep you guys in frame. I don't have everything set up this time. All right, so there's our reading book. And they've thrown a little bit of candy. So Last Looks, a novel, Howard Michael Gold. All right, that is all the praise. And then here we go. So a razor-sharp, exquisitively paced, madly fun debut thriller that gleefully lampoons Hollywood culture and introduces the highly eccentric yet brilliant ex-detective gone rogue, Charlie Waldo. So let's see. There are a run-of-the-mill eccentric Californians, and then there's former detective Charlie Waldo. Waldo, a one-time LAPD superstar, now lives in solitude deep in the woods, pathologically committed to owning no more than 100 possessions. He has left behind his career and his girlfriend Lorena to pay self-imposed penance for an awful misstep on a pivotal murder case, but the old ghosts are about to come roaring back. There are plenty of difficult actors in Hollywood, and then there's Alistair Pinch. Alistair is a one-time Royal Shakespeare Company thespian who now slums it as the wise Southern judge on a tacky network show. He's absurdly rich, often belligerent, and typically drunk. A damning combination when Alistair's wife is found dead on their living room floor and he can't remember what happened. Waldo's old flame Lorena, hiding peril of her own, draws him toward the case, and Alistair's greedy network convinces Waldo to take it on. But after such a long time away from both civilization and sleuthing, and plagued by a confounding array of assailants who want him gone, Waldo must navigate complicated webs of ego and deceit to clear Alistair's name or confirm his guilt. That sounds interesting, so we'll see how that goes. Nice big print. So that's good. I always do better with a little bit larger print. It makes me feel like I read faster. Not necessarily true, but yeah. So, and then there's some praise for it on the back. But yeah, it sounds interesting. So I guess I did thriller this month, or it just defaulted back. I'm not sure. Then we get a puzzles book, Mind-Bending Mazes. Test your brain and ingenuity with 80 challenging mazes. So I guess I can go ahead and, oh gosh, flip through this a little bit. Oh, that's fun. No, these I would do. That Sudoku thing from the last box I would not do. These I would do, but I'd do them, I would cheat and do them in pencil because I'm not brave enough to do them. These are actually very hard looking, but it would be something I'd want to take like on a plane, and just sit to occupy my mind. That one looks really hard because it's got little faint lines that will definitely trick your eye. This is a double maze. Oh, that one's fun. Yeah, this is interesting to me. This would be fun. Like I said, to take like on a plane. Or, I don't know, anywhere on a beach, somewhere you don't want to take like a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so there's a bunch of mazes. I'm not gonna I cannot speak today, flip through them all. I hope you guys can see. I'm so sorry. But yeah, just gonna flip through a little bit more because I might have been out of frame. I was holding it funny. And sorry for the lighting. Oh, there's the answer key. Okay. Didn't know that, but that's cool that there's an answer key. So yeah, just a bunch of mazes. And yeah, not much more to say about that, but that's better than the Sudoku thing I got last month because that was not for me. Now this month for coloring book, this is kind of cracks me up. We get Ancient Aliens, the coloring book, from the producers of Ancient Aliens, from the History Network. I don't watch the show. I don't particularly believe in aliens, but we can go ahead and see what this book's about. Great Pyramid. Gold flyer figurines. So I do like the images, but I don't necessarily understand like the aliens thing, but that's fine. I don't have to. I do like the images though. They're kind of patterny. Easter Island. Oh, that's weird. Now I feel like I have to go watch the show, but I don't really want to. Wormhole, that would be fun to just put colors at, throw colors at. Nazca Spider. Do any of you guys watch Ancient Aliens? Again, I'm just not into the whole alien thing. Flying saucers. I'd still color them. I just don't necessarily believe they're real. I feel like they would have made contact with us already and like knowingly, not just hiding. I don't know. Who knows? Some of these are definitely like mythological too, but a lot of it, I have no idea what it is. Well, I know what crop circles are, but I'm not saying a lot of them because I can't pronounce most of the names. Nefertiti, I can say that one. Great Serpent Mound. Yeah, some of these you could definitely color as like regular pictures and some more like patterns. So actually I do like this. When I saw what it was before I showed it to you guys, when I lifted up the Mazes book, I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna like this, but I actually do like this. I think you could have fun with color in this one, especially on something like this. Mayan calendar. Chimera, I've heard of that. I don't know what it has to do with aliens other than mythology. Oh well. Giza Pyramid Complex. That's cool. These would be fun to do in different colors, I think. And then so that actually is a pretty cool book. It's got a little description of the show and stuff on the back. So yeah, super cute actually. I do like it. Not disappointed this month. This was a good month. It was just last month with the Sudoku book that I wasn't completely sold on. But this one I did enjoy. So let me know what you guys think. I can't tell which way the camera's supposed to go. My setup is all weird today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know again, as always, what you think in the description, in the comments below. I just love hearing from you guys, and you all are the absolute best. So yeah, I will stop rambling. I actually have to go and start getting ready to leave for work. So I hope you guys again enjoyed. And yeah, love you guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.